In this video, we're going to look at another example of sketching the graph of a function of two variables. So we're given the function f of xy equals 2 minus x squared minus y squared. And the way we're going to attack graphing this particular function is to look at the intersection of the surface with the coordinate planes. So to find that xz trace, remember the xz trace is the trace that you get when you set y equal to 0. So if I set the y equal to 0, I see the parabola z equals 2 minus x squared. So this red axis here would be our x-axis. So we're going to sketch this parabola, which crosses the z-axis at 2. And that would give us our xz trace. Likewise, if we want to find the yz trace, we put 0 in for x and get the parabola z equals 2 minus y squared. Here the green axis is the y-axis, so we sketch that 2 minus y squared parabola there. So now we've got these intersecting parabolas. Finally, for the xy trace, we set the function, or the z-coordinate, equal to 0. So we get 0 equals 2 minus x squared minus y squared, or if we rearrange that equation, we get x squared plus y squared equals 2. We recognize that as the equation of a circle, centered at the origin, and has a radius of square root of 2. So that's where this other circular curve here is coming from, is that particular equation of that circle. We put this information all together, and we can see this downward-facing paraboloid, and that would be our graph of our surface in this particular case.